I would ask you to start identifying what are some of the negative things that you say to yourself, those negative tapes that just play automatically. Oh, when I was, 14, my mom said I need to lose 10 pounds. Or, oh, when I was swinging on a swing in a playground, it broke. So, man, I was really heavy. Like, start going back to those old tapes and just start switching them. So when you become aware, and I would ask you as faith-based women, if you're faith-based women, start praying. Say, Heavenly Father, help me to see where I'm starting to see some of those negative things, because I will bet they're happening before you even know they're there. They're already running. They're already, this tape is playing. So instead, pay attention. The second thing after you become aware is to be assertive, be proactive. Say, I'm going to write down affirmations. I'm going to write down things that I want to think and feel about myself and my body. I want to be happy. So change that to, I am happy about my body. I love my body. I love the way my body can move. I love the way my body serves me every day. I love how I feel when I can play pickleball with my kids. I love when I can take a walk in nature and I am able to go uphill, or I'm able to do it. I think of what affirmations make you feel good. We were just talking about, I do retreats for women, and we have a coaching program that people can go into. We had our call yesterday, and we were talking about some of them, they're working on how to get their passion out in God's way and be able to share messages for him. And so they're learning how to do tech, which for most women, we are like, ah, right? It's like the laundry pulsing in the corner, like, I don't see it, I don't see it. So they're having to do this tech. And they've been going and jamming. And Sweet Lemire gave this beautiful thought yesterday about the importance of sprinting and then recovery, and how important the recovery is. And one of the ladies posted today, and she said, I have created a new affirmation for myself. I let it be easy. Instead of looking at tech as this enemy, she's letting it be easy. And I thought, that's so beautiful. So maybe think of affirmations that make your heart feel happy, like whatever that might be for you. So an affirmation that makes you feel happy. If it doesn't make you feel happy, to say, I'm getting up at 6 in the morning and I'm exercising for 45 minutes. If that makes you want to dry heave or curl up under the desk, then don't do it. Write an affirmation that brings you joy. I am resting for 30 minutes on my bed with nothing to do. Does that make you feel good? I've got tingles already. What is an affirmation that makes you feel good? I am walking in nature for 20 minutes and I'm enjoying the sounds and nothing else that I'm focusing on. What is an affirmation that works for you? Something that you can get behind.
Thanks for watching. As always, hit that like button, click on that bell to get some future videos right into your inbox. And if you want all the other goodies like podcasts, best-selling books, results-getting programs, and all that jazz, then go to conniesokol.com. I got lots of goodies there for you. And if you want to connect on social media, I'm on all platforms, so join me there because I want to connect with you right now and help you step into your purpose-filled life.